Hey, what's up? I'm going to teach you the easiest way to make the good stuff, also known as Daddy's mac and cheese. All you need is a box of penne noodles, 1 pint of heavy whipping cream, and here is a 2-pound block of Velveeta cheese. You just need 1 pound of Velveeta cheese. So we're going to cut the cheese. When you're using a knife, make sure you always cut away from you. Always point the blade down. So we're going to use half of this. Actually, we've got to cover that up, otherwise it'll get gross at the end. Make sure you always keep your fingers clear, so there's no way your fingers can get cut. So you just want to cut it up into small little chunks, kind of like this. I love these mitts. They're amazing. So you want to wait till the water is boiling nice. And boil your noodles for 12 minutes. These oven mitts are the best. You can wash them off after you're done with them. I love that feature. I always like to test the noodles. I don't really ever trust the 12-minute thing it says on the box. Hey Ryan, what's up? Interrupt you for a minute while you're playing this video game. Will you let me know if you think this noodle's done? Here you go. Here, I'll try a bite. What do you think? Alright, now we're just going to add the whipping cream right away after we drain the noodles. And then we're going to add the cheese. It's 1 pound of Velveeta. And then the only trick is you have to continuously stir on a really low heat. It'll start off looking like this, so just cook on a really low heat and stir continuously. Soon it will start looking like this. Don't be tempted to, oh yeah, you're welcome, Mariah. Don't be tempted to add salt or pepper. Maybe just a dash of milk if you think it's too thick. So it's almost done. You ready to try one, Orion? I'm gonna blow on it. Might be hot. There we go. Does that look good? Everybody loves the good stuff. Also known as Daddy's mac and cheese. Did you like it, Orion? And there you have the good stuff. It's really good. Oh, did you want some more too, Orion? Here you go. That was good. The best thing is it's great in the microwave the next day. Reheats for the next few days.
Just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine.